Samsung's upcoming Galaxy A56 5G is generating excitement, with recent high-quality renders providing a detailed look at what to expect. These images reveal all four color options and highlight the design from different angles, giving a better understanding of its aesthetics and build quality. One of the most noticeable aspects of the design is its aluminum frame. Unlike earlier models, this one features a brushed metal finish that enhances its premium appeal. The camera layout also stands out, resembling the design language seen in Samsung's previous flagship models. This gives the device a more refined and symmetrical look, which many users find appealing. Samsung has kept the overall design clean and modern, making it a solid choice for those who appreciate a sleek, minimalist approach. However, there are some elements that might not appeal to everyone. The bezel surrounding the display appears slightly thicker than what some competitors offer in this price range. Many smartphones now prioritize ultra-thin bezels to maximize screen size, but Samsung has taken a more conventional approach. Despite this, the phone's overall design remains elegant, and the uniform bezel width contributes to a balanced aesthetic, which could still attract users who value symmetry in their devices. On the performance side, leaks suggest that the Galaxy A56 5G will come equipped with the Exynos 1580 processor. This chipset is expected to bring better performance and efficiency compared to its predecessor, making daily tasks smoother. Running on Samsung's One UI 7.0, based on Android 15, the user experience should be intuitive and refined, with software optimizations enhancing usability. A notable change is in the front camera. The Galaxy A55 had a 32-megapixel selfie camera, but Samsung has reportedly opted for a 12-megapixel sensor this time. While this may seem like a downgrade in terms of resolution, it could result in improved image processing, better low light capabilities, and more natural-looking selfies. On the back, the camera setup is expected to remain similar to its predecessor, likely featuring multiple lenses, including an ultra-wide and macro sensor, to provide versatility for different photography needs. Battery details are still uncertain, but one confirmed upgrade is in charging speed. The Galaxy A56 5G will support up to 45-watt fast charging, a major improvement from the 25-watt charging seen on the previous model. This means users will be able to recharge their device significantly faster, which is great for those who are constantly on the move and need quick power top-ups. Connectivity is also seeing some enhancements. The phone will include Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.4, both of which offer improved speed and stability over the previous generation. These features will make online activities such as streaming, gaming, and file transfers more seamless and reliable, ensuring a smoother experience overall. Samsung has yet to announce an official release date for the Galaxy A56 5G, but given the increasing number of leaks, the launch is likely just around the corner. If these reports are accurate, this phone could be a strong contender in a mid-range segment, offering a premium design, faster charging speeds, and improved connectivity options. Do you think the Galaxy A56 5G is a worthy upgrade over its predecessor? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, if you found this information helpful and want to stay updated on the latest tech news, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Your support helps bring more content on the latest gadgets and innovations. Samsung is preparing to introduce a new type of foldable smartphone, and recent leaks suggest it could be a game changer. The company has been leading the foldable phone industry for years, and now all eyes are on what could be its first tri-folding device. While details remain unconfirmed, reports indicate that this upcoming model might share a key feature with the much-anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 7. Rumors suggest that Samsung's tri-fold smartphone, which is being referred to as the Galaxy G Fold, could come with a 6.49-inch cover screen, the same size expected for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. This would be a step up from the 6.3-inch display seen on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Interestingly, Samsung has already used the 6.49-inch display of the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, hinting that it might become the standard for its foldable lineup. With such a significant step forward in foldable technology, some might wonder why the outer screen isn't larger or more distinctive, especially since a tri-folding phone is expected to offer something entirely new. However, the real innovation lies in the device's design and durability, rather than just the display size. Unlike other tri-folding smartphones that rely on a single massive screen, Samsung appears to be taking a different route. The device is rumored to feature two separate panels that fold inward twice, ensuring the main screen remains fully protected when not in use. This design could make the phone far more durable than competitors like Huawei's Mate X-D, which features a 10.2-inch display that folds both inward and outward. Since part of Huawei's screen is always exposed, it remains vulnerable to damage, making durability a concern. Samsung's approach, however, keeps the primary display safe from external elements, potentially improving the phone's lifespan. Despite the added protection, this design choice might come with some drawbacks. Having two separate panels could make the device heavier, and the additional hardware could also push up the cost. Foldable smartphones are already known for their premium pricing, and adding another layer of complexity could make the Galaxy G Fold one of the most expensive foldables yet. Weight is another factor to consider, as foldable devices tend to be heavier than traditional smartphones due to their complex hinge mechanisms and extra screen layers. That being said, if the leaks are accurate and the Galaxy G Fold features a nearly 10-inch main display when fully opened, it could offer an entirely new user experience. A screen of this size would make the device ideal for multitasking, media consumption, and productivity. Whether it's watching videos, browsing multiple apps at once, or even using it as a compact tablet, the expanded display could set it apart from other foldable phones. If Samsung optimizes the software effectively for this format, the device could redefine what's possible with foldable technology. As for its release, Samsung has not provided any official confirmation yet, but sources indicate that the Galaxy G Fold could be launched alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Galaxy Z Flip 7 in the summer. The company typically unveils this foldable lineup around the middle of the year, so it wouldn't be surprising if this trend continues. With the competition in the foldable smartphone industry growing rapidly, it will be interesting to see how Samsung's first tri-folding device stands up against its rivals. Will it set a new benchmark for foldable technology, or will its high price and weight limit its appeal? Only time will tell. For more updates on upcoming smartphones and the latest tech trends, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for future coverage. Have you ever imagined just how slim a smartphone can get without sacrificing its performance? Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge may be on the brink of answering that question, but there's a twist to the story. The Galaxy S25 Edge is poised to give Apple's iPhone 17 Air a run for its money. Both of these upcoming smartphones are expected to wow us with their incredibly slim designs, but the real question is, how slim can they go while still offering the powerful features we expect from premium devices? The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be around 6.25 millimeters thick, while the Galaxy S25 Edge could potentially come in even thinner at 6.4 millimeters, with some speculations hinting that it may be as thin as 5.8 millimeters. But let's not focus solely on how thin these phones are. There's also something else to consider. OnePlus is preparing to unveil the Open 2, which could be as thin as 4 millimeters when unfolded. Yes, a foldable phone at just 4 millimeters. However, let's return to the Galaxy S25 Edge, which has sparked plenty of buzz due to its early performance results. Recently, the Galaxy S25 Edge appeared on Geekbench, a well-known benchmarking tool that evaluates a phone's performance by testing its processor, graphics, and overall speed. It measures how well a device handles multitasking, gaming, and overall performance. The first test results for the Galaxy S25 Edge were exactly consistent, with a score of 3,005 in the single-core test and 6,945 in the multi-core test. But more recent results have shown a notable shift. The updated benchmarks show that the Galaxy S25 Edge scored 2,806 in the single-core test, slightly lower than before, but it achieved a much stronger score of 8,416 in the multi-core test. This suggests that the phone could be more efficient at handling multiple tasks at once, which is a major plus for those who use their phones for gaming or multitasking. That said, it's important to remember that these are early test results, and the device isn't official yet, so these figures should be taken with a pinch of salt. Performance aside, Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to feature